Hello, I'll be teaching you about Revision Assistant. Revision Assistant is a app or a website that teachers can use to assist them in the classroom when it comes to writing essays. You can access this by revisionassistant.com, or if you have access to a Launchpad in your county, then this app is already accessible. You just sign in. With this application, you'll be able to create classes, and then you'll be able to choose an assignment for them to write on. So, how you would do that, you create the class here. Once you create the class, it will produce a class code. You will have your students sign in, and then you'll give them the class code, and they'll be able to see their particular topic. In choosing a topic, you'll create an assignment. It will give you a chance to choose the assignment. You can choose the skill level, which is the grade. You can choose the subject, ELA Science Social Studies, or you can choose the genre. I would choose narrative for now. And I would choose ELA because I'm an ELA teacher, and I would choose 9th or 10th grade. All right, so when you do that, you can check out the different topics you would have your students write about. The best thing to do is choose a topic that has a source with it. So this gives a chance for the students to understand how to quote or give sources within their writing. And then you can look at here signal check, expansion pack, and spot check. These different ones will give you a chance to see how you would like to give feedback to your students. This website is amazing with feedback. My favorite part is the signal check. If I go back home, I will give you an example of a signal check. I will choose the 10th grade topic. So once I select that, basically once this is the topic they were reading on, they will read the instructions, and it gives exactly what they need to be informing their audience about. So you can check the student's progress. You can see if they did anything. You can see if they did signal checks. You can also see if they turned it in, or even if they have logged in properly. You can check student work here, and you also be able to send them a message about their work while they're working on it. For the signal check, I will choose a student really quickly. It gives them checks on how well their essay is written or if they need to include something. So this one is clarity, development, organization, or language. So I use this how to grade it. So each box has at least 4 points added to it, and I grade it as such. But with the feedback, you can see it on the side. If you read the sentence, it has the bubble here, and it says, think about how you engage your readers in introduction. Try to hook their attention by using language that was precise or specific. So, meaning they want the student to use words or terminology that's associated with the topic of the Chesapeake Bay. Students would then have a chance to continue to do signal checks as they write. And then they will also be able to do a spell check or anything they would need to do before sending. Like here, I can send Miss Aaliyah a message and say, hey, check this out. You might want to change this around, so on and so forth. And then they'll be able to submit the work. This is a great website because, like I said before, it's able to give students great feedback. It's using technology, and you're able to do everything as a whole and speak to different students at one time about their writings. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you utilize Revision Assistant. It is amazing, and thank you for your time.